Right then, I've had my order from Wistuba, my long-awaited parcel. Let's have a look to see what's in here then. It's a big box, I'll give you that. Lots of paper. Good, that means it'll keep them warm. Right, oh, that feels like a plant. Oh wow, look at the size of that. That's a nice plant. Look at that, it's huge. This is, it's nepenthes microamphora. Look at the size on that. It's bloody huge. Awesome, that's one. I'm going to find somewhere to put all this paper now, because that's another big one here by the looks of it. Sorry, I'm in the greenhouse, I'm doing this one-handed. I didn't set up my tripod and everything for doing this. Oh, look. There is two in here. There is heliamphora. They are heliamphora pulchella and heliamphora neblinae. Looks good. They look big, but well, they're going to need some big pots. Cool. Cressy's big plant so far. Big plants. Good. That's good, good, good. Let's see this one here then. Which one? Another one. This is... oh, 3 nepenthes in one, yeah. Let's have a look. We have nepenthes flava, nepenthes hamata campanulata, and nepenthes hamata. Let's have a look at the size of these babies then. They're not huge, but they're good for a size small. Don't know if you can see really, they're a bit foamed up. Hamata's got some lovely little teeth on it, that's good. Yeah, they look good, really good, really, really good. See what else, see what else, see what else. I have to tidy up after I've done this. Too much paper. There's another one here. What is this? Oh, there's another 3. We have nepenthes pitapangii, nepenthes species anipahan, I think that's how you say it anyway, and nepenthes dubia. Let's have a look at the size on these. They look good, they look alright, they look good. Considering all these were small, the size on them isn't really too bad, I don't think. I can't really see because of they're steaming up on the inside because it's so warm in the greenhouse. They've been cold, they've been in the mail all weekend, which is not brilliant. They were sent out on Thursday, and I had an email saying they were coming on Monday, so I wasn't that amused they were coming on oh look, these are big ones. What's these? These are nice. Look at the size of them. We have nepenthes tenuis by dubia and nepenthes macfarlanei, and I think that is it. So what I will do is just show you how big they are for a start. They're nice. 2 big plants there. Awesome. Yeah, good. What I shall do is just check there's nothing else in here. Nope, that's it. I'll tidy all this mess up, get them all potted up, and I'll show you. I'll join another video on, and I'll show you what they all look like potted up. Okie dokie. See you in a bit. And there we are, guys, all potted up. The sizes are pretty good considering they were, well, nearly all small. Yeah, we got Nepenthes dubia, a Nipahan species. That one's a bit small, but I don't mind. I really don't. Pitapangea. Flava's a little bit teeny. Hamata by Campanulata. My Hamata there. That's a nice size for a small. Yeah, my heliamphora is about a foot tall. It's awesome. Real nice plant. And then we got 10 US by Dubia. A nice little picture on that one there. McFarlanei there. No pictures on that one yet. And then I got my heliamphora. We got Nebulae and Pulcella. Look at the hairs inside there. And they're nice. So yeah, fingers crossed they all do well. The weather's turned nice now, so hopefully we'll get some growth. The greenhouse is getting full now, as you can see. If I can get back here somewhere and try and... Don't know if you can see, but yeah. Everything's filling up. So great, yeah. Got my, well, the fogging system's just gone off again. Got my flower spike here, which I've pollinated with some platycala pollen. As you can see, they're starting to take because they're turning brown. Awesome. And yeah. Oh, I'm getting wet here now. Oh God. But yeah, here's the update. My wistuba plants. Any questions, leave them in the comments. And yeah, subscribe if you like more content. I got another couple of videos coming up in the next week or two. Yeah, so I got, oh look, Utricularia have started sprouting. Awesome. Yeah, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Ta-da.